Hello, prophets, and welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis by the Crypto Prophet. Let's jump right into the charts for Bitcoin. Boom. Wow, here we go. Target was 44 for this one. Polar fib coming up. We're really trading right here in this golden pocket range. We're expecting this to bounce right up if we just get rid of the fib right there. And we can see here, option one. Boom, and this was done on April 13th. Option one to here on the 18th. Hit that right on target, not as low, but beautiful move. Coming down again, and we're launching up and off. Now option one has really played out really well. Blue line was option two. The idea is that we're here, and we are going to head our way up, maybe bounce up off this channel, get a little resistance here at 42, get up here at 42, and bounce and make our way up until the end of April, to which we will then go down and probably go down to zero. So we all need to long from here and then short from here and make all our money. Okay, now, next chart. Look at Market Cipher. We have a green dot on the 8 hour. Incredible. If we just draw a quick little note to self, we do not quite have, because price action is going sideways since here, price action sideways. So not quite the bullish divergence we're looking for. However, green dot, money flow could be looking up. Let's zoom in on this money flow right here. Money flow has turned up significantly. We have a green dot in the 8 hour. So we go back here. We're on the 8 hour chart here. We've got a green candle that started just a half hour ago. And we are expecting to get up here, and like we pointed out just a minute ago. Dun. Now, next chart, option one, is that we do not go up. We continue to go to the downside and go down all the way down to that 29.9. We're going to see a lot of buys down at 37, 35, 32, 32.5, certainly at 30. So big level there. If we now we've in the 5-day, boom, red on the Guardian channel. So what does that mean? Well, if we go back in time, here is the coronavirus dump. We were in there, kind of an anomaly. But if we go back to the previous one in 2018, we were in it for a while and fell down even further before we made our way to the upside. Again, once it started, we didn't get out of it for 290 days. If we map that out right here, once we started on the red, we didn't get out for, let's get this right about here, January of next year. We may see ourselves getting out of it, which would be perhaps an option 3 that would look something like this. Lower, ranging that low range, we start to make our way up at the end of the year, and then we get back out of it. Okay, the channel would be coming down like this. Here, this is all red. We turn green here, and we make our way up. All the other options would be voided, of course. Now, next chart. Here we go. Okay, BBWP, stochastic momentum. Here's the what we want as the bullish control zone. However, it's made this kind of a cool little dragon claw, Falcor shape. Never seen that before. Going all the way back, we checked it out. This is going to make a move in the next few days, presumably. I thought a little bit a few days ago. However, up, which means we could go down, we could go up, but it's going to be a big move in the next couple of days. Huge. So, let's jump into another chart. These are all this, that, and the other. Okay, channel here on the weekly time frame. We're in this channel, and what do we have here? That blood diamond is still there on the weekly. So, however, we do see a green candle here, which means, well, certainly the blood diamond from the market sector A does not look good for Bitcoin. Very bearish blood diamond right there, very bearish, which would send us back down to the bottom of the channel, which we would expect, especially with a blood diamond, that we were going to make a major move down. We do have a red dot on the weekly. Of course, these take a long time to play out. However, we can whip up like this and do the Jason Casper, as you call it, the Jason Casper uneven butt cheeks, which means we are most likely going to move to the upside because we get that trigger wave from the anchor wave. Now, next chart. CME, Talk about that in a second, or not at all today. Don't want to talk about that. What is this? That's the 5-day Gaussian or return red. Here's wanted to talk about this pattern here. Went up above it, we're back down in it, but now we're below it. So it doesn't look too good. Doesn't look. So we've got conflicting things here. Obviously, the powers that be done a fantastic job. Here's another pattern here that we're in. Lifted up, bounced up, faked out, back down into it, ranging around here. This would eventually come down and meet up at some point over here in June to where we could either go up or down if that kind of pattern were to play out. So the powers that be really, and this is beautiful right here. 200-day moving average came up, nailed it, right? Nailed it right there. Boom. Got rejected, back down to point of control right here, and we're riding along, and we're above it. So that is good. We've got very low volume though. That does not look good for Bitcoin. Conflicting charts here. Certainly, if we go back to the market cipher, we've got our green dot. That's pretty good, green dots, but you can see that green dot, and then nope, didn't total fake out. So very conflicting. It's really difficult to judge what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Okay, so macro scale here is a daily chart, but going back, we pulled the fib all the way up to our presumptuous 147.950, 37 cents, happening on October 8th, 2024. Option 1A is here. Up here now, we get up to 57. That would be above the parallel channel we're in right now, which is this one here. We get up and we get up to that 48 and continue to the upside. Where are we? Here we go. Option 1A is this. We do get up to that 146, and we would say July of 2023. Option 2, of course, option 3. Now, next chart. 200-day moving average. We want to get up into this purple zone here. This wedge is playing out. We went up, came back inside of it. Expected. Even on the smaller time frames, these wedges really tend to do that. So we're routing along this point of control right here, the VPVR, but we're under this. So presumably we're saying, okay, well, we could bounce up off of that and fake out and come through and go up from the end of this wedge, right, which would put us, the pattern is kind of looking like this, just put us to the top of the pattern, that 50,000 mark, or, which a lot of these like to do, is come up and kind of fake you out and then drop out like that. So again, beautiful Bitcoin, beautiful queen that she is, beautiful moves, beautiful, incredible patterns, and certainly stochastic RSIs, money flow right here, turning up to the upside, the BBWP, and several right here. Beautiful. I mean, you couldn't even make this up. It's now taken a life of its own. We are trading human emotion. We are trading human emotion. Human emotion. And where is humanity in the earth going to take us as human emotion? We are definitely excited to see what happens. We're definitely excited to keep you guys updated. Like the video, and we'll see you all in the next one very soon. God bless you all.